Hi, my name is Alexander Correa, and this is my speech on nature versus nurture, which is the topic. And by which technique does your personality and actions stem from? Why I found this interesting is mainly because it's an age old question and debate among people that is, for the most part, split down the middle. A lot of people think on both sides of the factor. And I believe that there is a scientific or a logical explanation onto whether which side is mostly true. The main discussion of this is whether nature, which is your genetics or your genome, describes your entire actions in life, and nurture, where experiences as you grow up and as you live determine your personality and how you act among people. Things I learned about this topic is that developmental psychology is the factor in finding the true answer between these two topics. It's also a scientific, cultural, and philosophical debate. There's two sides to the debate among the people. It's the nature side and the nurture side. Nature sides are usually determined as nativists, and they believe that your DNA is based on how you were brought up in your genetic code, like how you were brought up. And then nurture is epidemists, and they believe that how your experiences guide you through life is exactly how you grow up and how your personality is determined. And that could also make changes in your brain structure. In modern times, now we believe that more of the nurture side. However, like in the 1960s to the modern times, most people believed that it was nature, it was how you were born and how your genetics were structured, is how you were going to act throughout your life. But now we know that nurture is a bigger factor in how we act. Nurture is basically saying how in your early developmental child state you were influenced into making decisions and how you dealt with them, and those experiences changed your brain structure and taught you how to do things differently. However, nature also has an effect among how your brain is structured. There are mental health diseases such as schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and depression, which are all genetic. Most people who have these mental disorders have a history in their family with them, as well as cancer and other biological diseases. These things can hurt a person based on their ancestry, but that does not have a main factor in how you act as a person. Nurture influences the behavior by all the experiences you have in your early developmental child life and how you are brought up with your family. So, how your parents taught you how to do things and how your teachers taught you how to learn the alphabet and such comes as regular human nature to us. It is the nurture side of things. So, my question is answered as nurture is the common belief among people modernly. However, I do believe that it could tie in to the factors of both, how nature and nurture can influence one's behavior, because of there's some things that you're just hardwired to do throughout your like parents' biological makeup, and then obviously how you are given like lessons and you learn from your lessons, and that could also have a factor to play in your genome. Thank you.